Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again to do a collaboration video with none other than the King of Longchamp, Joshie Michael. If you haven't checked out Joshie Michael's channel, you really need to do it because he has videos going back for years on Longchamp, and there's probably no question that he can't answer regarding the brand. So today, we were going to show you our summer by the pool bags, and we kind of thought of this because he told me he was going to be getting a couple of items that he was going to use when he went to the pool. And I told him I'm actually getting an item that I think of as something that would be great for going to the pool or the beach, definitely great for summertime. So this is our Longchamp by the pool collaboration. Now, the UPS driver just arrived at my house. My dogs went crazy, and so did I. So let me grab the box. This item, like I said in my previous video, I ordered it from bagshop.com. They had Longchamp drop ship it to me, and so it got here even faster. And so without further ado, I would like to open it and show you what's inside. First, let me grab a quick screenshot. So I've got my handy dandy ceramic knife that I have upside down. There we go. Gonna tear into this box so that I can show you what's inside. I'm so excited about this. Now, let me just tell you that this is not a Longchamp extra small. Are you surprised? Because while Joshie may be the king of Longchamp, I'm certainly not the queen because I have mostly extra small bags. I have not ventured out into their other items. We do have a box within a box. Yay! So I've opened the outer box. Let's open the inner box. So like I told you, this is not a Longchamp extra small. I'm going out of my comfort zone. I do have 3 of the large shoulder totes from the Les Pliage line, as well as the backpack. And I love all 4 of those bags. And I'm currently sitting at, let's see, 25 of the extra small bags. I know, that's absolutely nuts, but I love them. And if I came across another one that was the right design or the right pattern, I would probably go ahead and get it. But like I mentioned in my previous video, I would have to look at my collection and also look at my budget and make sure that it made sense for me financially to do that. Okay, I just kind of whipped this out of the bag unintentionally, but she's out. Okay, here we go. Yay! What do you guys think? Okay, this bag is described as having a straw-like fabric. The fabric is straw-like, meaning it's not made out of straw, but it is made out of a cotton material, I believe. Now, it's got the Longchamp is woven on the top. You can see there. And I picked the color brown. They also had a black that was really awesome looking too. And the handles are made out of, I believe, the same kind of leather that they put on their nylon bags, the Russian cowhide. You can see it has almost like a caviar type stamp on it. It's a really nice texture, very characteristic of Longchamp. Let me take out the stuffing so I can check out inside. Okay. So if you look at the inside, it's not really lined. It's kind of hard to explain. There's no pockets. It's almost like it's just the back side of this fabric. But it may be considered a lining that they put the embroidery through for the horse. It snaps with this snap and that snap closed. And it's got the materials booklet. Let me see what it says it's made out of. Very creative. It says it's made out of textile. That really helps us out a lot to understand, right? So the measurements are 6 by 6 by 4, retails $195. That's what it looks like snapped. Way cuter in my opinion when it's snapped closed. And then it's got the D-rings right there and right there on the inside of the handle. Now in this case, I love this strap. I mean, it just totally accents the bag. You can see the texture of the leather better, see? It's very flexible. The only drawback is that it is not adjustable like most of the Longchamp straps. I'm kind of surprised they didn't make this one adjustable since it's at that same price point that the nylon bags are at. Let me try it on for you. I was too lazy to go downstairs and grab a dress or something to try this on with, so I hope this outfit's okay. But you can see it just hits in the perfect spot on the hip. Now again, I am 5'8". I'm about 145 pounds, maybe pushing a little bit more these days, but this bag is freaking so cute. Oh my gosh. I love how it feels. It is so lightweight. I love the horse. I don't think this is the bag I would do multiples of, just because it's, I don't know. I mean, I might get one more, but with the big horse on it, it kind of makes it so distinctive that it makes it so where I don't want to have a whole bunch of them, because every time I wear it, this is going to be the center focal point, which I guess I could turn it around and wear it this way, which would be super cute too, but that's just not me. I would wear it this way. So I would recommend this bag. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. I love this. I'm going to be able to use this with the pale gold chain too. Let me grab it and I'll try it on for you. See, I'm telling you, the Amazon chain, it just goes so pretty with the hardware on these Longchamp bags, because the Longchamp bags have such a pale color. And see, look, that dresses it up. It just brings it over the top. So go check out Joshie's channel. He's got something fun in store for you too. He's actually got 2 items, and you may decide that you want to get the 2 things he got, which are on an amazing sale right now. And you might decide to go ahead and get this one, which isn't on sale right now, but you can get it for a really nice price. It's lower than most of the bags that I typically show you. It's at $195 retail. So make sure you call bagshop.com if you're looking for this. It comes in so many colors and you can get it pretty quickly. I hope you have a fabulous weekend. Take care. Give this video a thumbs up and check me out on Instagram too. I'm the Handbag Housewife. Bye-bye.